There's only one, there's only one. It's only one Jess, only one Jess. Love and happiness, beauty and holiness.
Hey guys, it's Jess.
And Jonathan.
And welcome to
our house tour. Alright, so we walk inside and you go down the stairs. This is what the last owners used as the dining room. That's why this light fixture is so low. So downstairs, there are no windows. It's only sliding glass doors, which is very strange. I've never seen that before. So sliding glass door here, sliding glass door there, and I'll show you another one later. We can take you to the back, the half bathroom. That's our handprint on the door.
Whose handprint is that?
I don't know. So this is it. We're gonna do some things with it. You know how I do. You know how I do. We're not sure what we're gonna do with this space. We might knock this wall down, but we'll show you on the other side first. Coming to the other side. So this is what the family that used to live here used as the family room. Where that was obviously where the TV is, and there's a couch over here. And what many people, I believe, favorite part about this house will be is the kitchen. Look at this beautiful, newly renovated kitchen. And look at the Bible on the table,
Come on.
Show that we're real Christians.
We want to start off with some devotion up in here, which we'll have later.
I think these lights are really nice. Jess doesn't really feel them like that, but I think they're cool.
They're fine.
It's really nice. It's a really nice kitchen. I don't really know how to talk about kitchens.
You have a farmhouse sink.
Oh yeah.
Is that what that's called? A farmhouse sink?
I wasn't gonna say that because I don't know about
Excuse our celebratory communion.
And this quart. I don't know if it's quart.
I think. Is this quart? I think it's quartz. I think it's called Kalikata. No.
Alright, so now I'll take you guys outside for a little bit. So we have the big glass door down here. We have the 4 panes. It's pretty nice. Double open. Maybe we'll get like those doors where you can like push them all like to one side. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, this is our modest patio.
It's modest.
Very modest. There's a dog over there. There's a patio right here too, which is so weird because there's 2 patios. But this one's so small that like you can't really fit anything in it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get rid of it. There's also a bunch of trees back here that are kind of just too big to really enjoy anyways. So, I mean, one day it'd be nice if we get to like remove this tree, remove that tree. Just remove all the trees back here. We have big visions.
We do.
For
this
backyard.
Unfortunately, we can't get rid of the dog, but...
Oh, you see it?
Where is it? Hey, we come in peace.
Stop barking at us.
Oh no. You good? I feel like we'll have some good space to do some creative things back here, and then we have this side over here as well. Okay, so now we're gonna take you guys upstairs. So this is the stairway. Now, staircase? Stairway.
Both work.
Whatever. So they did a really good job repairing or doing the floors. It's like a brown, dark brown flooring, but I just can't get with the staircase. I just can't. It's not giving. So we're gonna replace that immediately. Immediately. Okay. Now come with me upstairs. Okay, so we do have a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom house. So let's take you to what we're gonna use as the guest room / music room first, because you know my man is musically talented. So come in here. So this is the guest room. I mean, it's a small size, but you know, it's just, we're just gonna have place the music in here and have maybe like a day bed. We're definitely going to be repainting probably every wall in this house because this is not the vibe here.
You don't love this blue, Jess?
Huh?
You don't love the blue?
It's not giving. It's really just, it's not giving. So we wanna paint this. We're probably gonna go with the basic white. I'm not sure, I don't know if we're gonna change the floors. I feel like the reason why I don't like the floors right now is because it doesn't go with the walls. Maybe after the walls are white, maybe I'll feel different, but right now, it's not cutting it. So now let's go into what I'm gonna use as my office. So this is gonna be my office. As you can see, the walls are pink. They're very pink because the previous owners, this was their baby girl's room. So it was a cute, fun idea for her, but not for me. But yeah, we're just going to zhuzh it up. I like the closet doors. They changed these doors, so they're pretty decent. We'll keep these. But the pink, it's gotta go. Unless we keep it for our daughter's room, babe.
No.
I'll change his mind later. Alright, so this is just the office space. Regular 4 walls, nice floors. That's it. So now let's go into our guest bathroom. Guest bathroom vibes. So this is where our guests, if we really have that many guests, so it's just a second bathroom. Okay, I love these floors. These floors, I'm vibing with these floors. So they have a nice little countertop, and they went with blue. I keep saying they, but it is our house now. It's our house. So we have blue cabinets, which I think are pretty cool. I'll probably change these knobs. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah. And then this is the guest bathroom, which I think is nice. This is probably where I'll be taking my bubble baths because we don't have a tub, but it's okay. All right, so this is our master bedroom. Again, the walls. I don't hate it, but we're gonna have to paint this wall over as well because it's dark gray right now. Not that I don't like the dark tone, because I did also play around with the idea of having a black wall. Did I talk to you about that? Maybe, maybe not, but I don't know if the black wall actually goes with the master bathroom, which is actually my favorite part of the house, which I'm gonna take you guys now to. So, welcome to my bathroom. Jonathan will be showering in the other one because he can't come in here. This is my sanctuary. I think it's so pretty. Some things will be changed in here, but for the most part, I love the sinks. I love the countertops. I really like this color they chose for the cabinets, and it's giving soft clothes. Come on, somebody. I also really like that it has double sinks, his and her sinks, and now I can actually use his and her sinks, and has like a little space where I can put like my chair. If I want to do my makeup by the sink area, I can put my chair there and then just do my makeup right here. I love it. The shower. Take a look at the, what do they call this? Like the rainforest?
Rain head.
The rain head. Okay, or the rain shower head. I love that. Even though I don't know how often I'll be using that because like, I don't want to get my hair wet. But I think it's so cool. And then we just have a nice little backsplash here, which at first I didn't really like, but I kind of like it now. And then we have a place over here to keep all my wash day products for the day. We have a little window in here to bring in some light while we're taking a shower separately or together. So that's our shower.
Show them your closet, Jesse.
Yeah, this is my closet again. I really don't know where Jonathan's gonna be living because this is my room. Where do you want to live, baby? You want to take the guest room or the office space?
Shut up.
Okay. So here is the closet. So we may need a little more lighting in here, but I think it's a cute little space. I don't know what's wrong with me that I want to just redo everything.
Oh, you want to redo this room?
I would just prefer,
Why?
I would prefer it to be white. I don't like the dark accents.
You gotta spray paint that hole.
Just like a more mature tone.
You better hope that people don't watch this video.
Yeah. This is why it sucks when you meet the owners, because they're really nice people. So I made the decision that this side is going to be my side, and then this side is also going to be my side, and then Jonathan, he gets this part in here. So then these up here are also going to be mine. Actually, I'm going to take this too, but you can have the part down here.
It's mine.
Yeah.
Mine.
Sorry, it's mine. Also, I kind of like this. In the beginning, yo, get away from me. In the beginning, I wasn't too like excited about, I don't know why this, but it's giving for like the full outfit pics.
I found a way.
And then, I feel like you're really close to my face. Has it been this way the whole back up, right?
Wait, it's not that bad.
It's just, it's close.
All right, go back up.
Thank you. And then this is just the toilet in here. Nothing crazy. So there is no door from the bedroom to the bathroom. So even though I really love looking in the bathroom from the bedroom. It's a nice sight to see. But I feel like, you know, if Jonathan's getting up early in the morning to go to work, that it would be a little distracting if he's taking a shower or brushing his teeth. So we're thinking of maybe putting like those sliding doors. I think it's called a barn door or a farm door. I never know. Probably a barn door. Like the sliding barn door, so we can keep it open when we want to, but like when someone's using it, like we can just slide it and have it closed. So I think that'll be really nice too. All right guys, well, this is our house.
There it is.
Yeah, so it's beautiful, and we're just so grateful that God blessed us with this house in this crazy market, and we can't wait to start furnishing it and making it our own and changing some things up. So just stay tuned for all of our house renovation and decor and all that stuff. Or maybe we'll just end up leaving it the same. We don't know yet. Maybe. Who knows? But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Next video.
Bye.